to everybody from Italy. This is Stefano Gori. It will be a great pleasure for me and for the other members of Fradiani Education to be part of the International Dental Meeting that will be held in Sofia next October. The title of my presentation is Immediate Post-Extraction Implant Placement in the Aesthetic Area. Since 1999, I've been practicing implant surgery at Mauro Fradiani Dental Clinic. I'll share with you the approach that our team prefer to follow when it comes the time to extract an anterior tooth and replace it immediately with an implant. I will focus on the importance of observe a specific diagnostic, surgical and prosthetic protocol in order to obtain aesthetically excellent results. I hope you won't miss my presentation. See you soon in Sofia. Bye bye.